Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in a new Dollar Tree. Just popped by, guys. I was passing and just wanted to stop in and see if they had any new items out. So let's take a look and see what they have. They still have all of these right here. These peace on earth signs. The silver bell, I'll be known for Christmas. Merry Christmas. So let's see here. Believe in the magic of Christmas. The elves. They still have these here. Santa stop. Let's see. It looks like they have a lot of these right here. Let it snow with a snowman. Good tidings of comfort and joy. Believe in the magic of Christmas. Here's a new one that I haven't seen. This one right here in white. And they also have that one in red up there. You can see that. All right, so a lot of the little stakes, the yard stakes, or wherever you want to put those in your home. All right, so a lot of the tinsel trees up here. They have those in black and white check, red and black check. Let's see, a lot of the tinsel items here. We've seen all of these right here. Here's some trays right here. It's the most wonderful time of the year. This one right here says joy. And they have the one with the Santa and the snowman, the bears and the penguins. And those. They have a lot of these. Here's some larger trays here. This one, they have that one there. Aren't these cute? They have these little LED wood lanterns right here with the snowman. Those are really cute. They have this one, Merry Christmas. I really like those. More of the tinsel items. The little earmuffs right here. Really cute. Some of the tinsel strands. Those stars. Here's some blue snowflake. And they have those in gold as well. And they also have some of the silver reindeers. Let me take this off really quick. They have those, if you can see those. Have those. All right, so a lot of these little small tinsels up here. They have the snowman, the little Merry Christmas hat, the penguin, a lot of the plush toys up here as well. They have a lot of these right here. Still have the bottles with the trees on the inside. They still have the little snow globes with the elves, the gnomes. Some of these containers right here, Merry Christmas. Baking spirit Sprite. These signs, believe, joy, Mary, and oops, here's one that says peace. I'll make sure I put these back here. All right. Let's see what's on this end cap right here. So they still have those signs right here. Seasons of joy, happy holidays. A lot of the little ornaments they have that we've seen already. Some of the mini tree toppers. Here's a 16-pack of pink ornaments right here. They also have those in silver. I'm going to turn around. They still have those Christmas trees down there also. I see green and white. I'm going to turn around here and let you guys see these little boxes that open up in the front. Joy, let it snow, Merry Christmas. And let's see here. I'm gonna put this one. They also have some smaller ones as well. So here's one with Santa. They have that one. And let's see. Oh, we've seen that one. It's just a bigger one. A lot of the little craft items here. They have the little containers. Save some cookies for Santa. Known for the holidays. Let's see. They have these little, what are these trays right here? They have this one right here. The one with the snowman. And I think those are the only two. They also have one down here with the snowflakes, if you guys can see that one there. They have that one. All right, so we're going to take a look at the ornaments here to see if they have anything new. I really don't think they have anything new, guys. But we're going to look anyway. They still have those red doors. A lot of those. Oh, so they have some little birds out. They have the little white birds and the red ones. They have a lot of these cookie cutters right here as well. They don't supposed to be over here, but they have them over here. Someone probably just put them over here. Yeah, pretty much the same as before. They have some gold and silver vase fillers here. Here's some adjustable bracelets with the red bells. Here's some garland right here, 25 feet garland. Merry Christmas. Up there at the top up there, if you can see that red truck, I don't think we've ever seen that one. We've seen the smaller ones, but not the bigger one up there at the top up there that says Merry Christmas. Let's see what else they have. Yeah, they pretty much still have the same thing. I like these little bows right here. Merry Christmas. They have those. They also have some with the red truck. And they have tons of bows here, guys, in different colors. Look at these right here. The velvet ones. They have it in gray and purple. Those are really pretty. And they have these garlands right here with the little ornaments on them. I see silver and red. All right, so this is actually the crafters aisle right here. So let's see what they have over here. They have some of these containers right here that's shaped as Christmas trees. They have these ones in red, the bells, and they have the stars. They have the paint your own ornaments right here, the wreath and the stocking, and they have the Christmas tree and the snowflake. There's also a candy cane and a present. Let's see. They have a mitten and an ornament here. They have some large gift bags right here. On this little display, they have dish drawing mats right here in the black and red check. And a lot of the brown, the wood items here, they have those. And look at these gift boxes right here. I'm not sure if they're supposed to be over here, but they have some over here. Different ones. They have these little trays right here. Let's see. Some of the fabric. They have that one right there. This one right here with the gnome. Let's see if they have any more. And they have this one right here. I'm pretty sure this is like a, oh yeah, this is a red truck. They have those. Let's see. North Pole Express. They have some of these little boxes right here. These containers, they're on the other side, but it looks like they've pushed them over just a little bit. And look at this box right here. This is really pretty. I really like that box. All right, so on this little end cap right here, they have a lot of the little treat sacks here. This one. And they come in the larger ones as well. This is, well, actually, this is a 3-piece. And this one right here is a 2-piece. They have Merry and Bright. 3-piece right here. Let's see, some treat bags. More treat bags with Santa and the Snowman. And this one has the gingerbread on it. This one right here has the red truck. Santa. Just some of the gift bags in different colors. All right, so let's go down this row right here. So they have a lot of the Snuggle-Do socks in this box right here. That one. This one right here. So they have a lot of those. And look at these little plush toys right here, guys. Look at that. Really cute. A lot of the different headbands. They have the elves, the snowman. I see Santa. And they have some of these little hats right here as well. They have this one with the deers. This one right here. This one right here. These little ball shooter toys right here. That's the Santa. They have the reindeer and a lot of these ice cube trays right here. The bells, the penguin. Some bigger gift sacks here. Wishing you peace and joy. And they have a 4-piece gift box set right here. You get 4 gift boxes. They have different ones. All right, so here's some of these little containers right here with the gingerbread, and I see some in blue with the snowflake. Some paper products. We have all of those. And here are all of the pot holders, different ones. The oven mitts. This one is cute right here. I like that one. Known for the holidays. They have all of those. More of the paper napkins. And you get 20 in each of these right here. 20. These right here. Here's some cute little gift tags right here. I have those. Some of the memo books with pens. I guess this is like a great gift idea to put in stockings or different things of that nature. Some of these little pillows right here. They have the Christmas tree, the star. Let's see, the stocking. So those are the only 3 that I see. And Christmas cards up here. You get a total of 20 cards and envelopes, 10 designs, and they have the chair pads. So I only see this one right here. And I think there's a red one back here. Let me see. Yeah, there's a red one with the flowers. A fun set of flowers. And more of the little containers there. All right, so here are all the different kinds of bells that they have here in the store. This store right here is actually kind of neat, very clean. Some things are misplaced, but for the most part it's very clean. And those. And they have some of these cobblestone bottle brush trees right here on this end cap right here. Some of the little cobblestone items here. I have that one. The red truck and the camper. And here are all of the little houses right here. A little town. Toy village. They have the church. All right, so they have these little tumblers right here for the kids. They have Santa, the snowman, and the penguin. They have a lot of the large tumblers right here. They have this one right here with Santa, known for the holidays, the peppermints, the red truck. Let's see if they have any more. All right, so those are the only 4 that I see. And they have a lot of Christmas candy here. They have the mini peppermint sippers here. They have those. Lots and lots of candy, guys. Let's see. These are the little pops right here, the lollipops. They have the reindeer. Well, actually, this is Rudolph. They have Santa. These are the Santa lips. They have those. Lots and lots of candies, chocolates. More of the tinsel items here. You haven't seen those. And the trees. All right, and so it looks like they have different tinsels on this back row right here. So I see the one right here with the peppermints. They have this iridescent tinsel garland right here, 9 feet. This one right here has a snowman. We've seen those. The silver ones right here. And how cute are these ones right here? The gray ones with the little elves. If you guys can see that. The white one with the red truck. We've seen these. Here's some more with the iridescent colors. And this one. Look at these little cute socks right here. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to pop into this new Dollar Tree right here. I've passed this store many of times. I never looked over to see if there was an actual Dollar Tree over here, but it's pretty big and pretty neat from what I see. Look at these right here. Ho, 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 let it snow. There's Snow Place Like Home. Happy Holidays. This house is under elf surveillance. Merry and bright. Let's see. Is this a new one right here? Home for the Holidays. That's really pretty. And they have the snowflakes. But yeah, guys, I just wanted to pop into this new Dollar Tree that I've never seen before. But thank you guys so much for stopping by my channel. If you are new to my channel, hello and welcome. My name is Miss Queen Bee. A lot of you don't know that you're not subscribed to my channel. So if you're not, go ahead and hit that little red button that says subscribe below. And yeah, guys, I will see you guys on the next video. All right, guys, so I did run into some more Christmas items while I was walking out the door, but they have these little spatulas right here, the little small ones right here. The one in green says, have a merry, what do you see? Have a cozy, comfy Christmas. And on the back one has a little gingerbread on it, but you get 2 of those. Here's some microfiber kitchen towels right here. Lots and lots of ribbon, different ones, decorative mesh. A lot of ribbon here. This one right here. And a lot of the different color bowls right here. Let's see. Look at this one right here. It has the snowman, the snowflakes. They have some glitter ribbon. And I've actually never seen this type of ribbon before right here. This is a mesh type of ribbon. And they also have it in gold as well. And silver.